In this video, you'll learn how to create a color-coded drop-down list in Excel using conditional formatting. This is useful when you want to keep your data organized and easy to read. Let's start by selecting the entire column where we want the drop-down list to appear. Click the top cell of the column, then hold down the Ctrl and Shift keys and press the down arrow to select everything. Or simply click the column header. With the column selected, press Alt, then A, then V, then V. This opens the data validation window. In the box that pops up, make sure List is selected. Then, in the box that says Source, type the options you want for your drop-down list. For example, type High, Medium, Low if those are your options. Make sure each option is separated by a comma. Then, click OK. Now, your drop-down list is ready. Click any cell in the column and you'll see a small arrow. Click that arrow and choose from the list. Next, let's add colors based on the selected option. Start by selecting the same column again, just like before. Now go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting and then click on New Rule. In the window that opens, choose Format Only Cells That Contain. Then, under Format Only Cells With, choose Specific Text and set it to Containing. In the box, type the first option from your list. For example, type High. Now click the Format button, go to the Fill tab, and pick a color you want to use for that option. Click OK, then OK again. Repeat this process for each option in your list. So, if you have medium and low as well, create a new rule for each of them with a different color for each one. Once you've done that, try using the drop-downs. As you select different options, you'll see the color change automatically. This helps you quickly spot trends or categories in your data without manually coloring each cell. This method keeps everything automatic and clean. You won't need to color the cells by hand. Test it out with your own data and see how much easier it becomes to manage your information. Thanks for watching.